During term 1 and 2, the students in 3-4B have had a lot of fun reading and performing plays from our school magazines.
This term, we have been listening to a podcast called 6 Minutes.
Podcasts are episodes of a program available on the internet. They are usually original audio or video recordings,
but can also be recorded broadcasts of a television or radio program, a lecture, a performance, or another event.
Podcast listening usually happens on smartphones, and you can listen to them anytime and anywhere. There's a huge variety of podcasts you can listen to.
There are podcasts that are fictional stories, educational and inspirational TED Talks, current events and world news, history, science, sports, pop culture and entertainment, and investigative journalism.
Listening to a podcast regularly in class has allowed us to practice our listening comprehension.
And it has developed our skills of prediction, visualizing, questioning, monitoring it, summarizing, and we have been making lots of connections.
Listening to podcasts are fun, and now we would like to share the trailer with you.
There are kids in this world who are different, special.
Girl! What? Flying in the water! She's right. There's a girl out there, look.
They look like us and they act like us, but they are not us.
Cyrus, what are you doing? Cyrus! I'm going in.
Cyrus, swim back to the boat! Cyrus!
She's alive!
And one of them is missing.
The award-winning creators of The Unexplainable Disappearance of Mars Patel and The Ghost of Jessica Majors bring you 6 Minutes, the thrilling new mystery adventure for your whole family.
There are no other boats around. Where did she come from? Hello? What's your name? Can you hear me? Who are you? Holiday?
Who is Holiday? Where did she come from? And how did she end up floating in the water with no memory? And what's that cool deal with the hoverboard? The mystery unfolds in 6-minute episodes.
The characters in the story are Birdie, a young girl about 10 years of age, Cyrus, her older brother, a mum named Monica, a dad named James, and of course, Holiday, the mystery girl.
The students in 3-4B would like to present 2 episodes to you. Chelsea and I have been very busy and wrote these scripts, and we have 2 sets of actors for the episodes, as so many students auditioned so well for the parts.
Thanks for choosing Marina Adventures, the city's oldest whale-watching tour.
I know twice as much as this driver.
You know you do, honey.
Dad, did you know that humpback whales' brains have neurons that are also found in humans?
I didn't know that, Cyrus.
I don't like science, it's boring. I don't want to learn about whale brains. I want to see a whale.
I'm sure we'll see one soon, Birdie.
Dad, you said to turn off your phone.
Sorry, I have to take this. Excuse me. Yes, hello, Admiral Vela.
Doesn't the government ever take a day off?
What kind of activity? No, I understand. Yes, of course. Monica, honey, can you come inside the cabin with me?
Sure. Be right back, guys. See how many whales you spot before I get back.
Does that sound weird to you? What? That Dad got a work call? He's always getting work calls. I can't see anything from down here.
Birdie, what are you doing?
Looking for whales?
Trust me, if there's a way, you'll see it. You're not supposed to climb the railing.
I want to get nice and close and look right in the blowhole.
Cyrus! Bird! Birdie! Stop the boat!
Help, Cyrus!
Hold on, Birdie! I'm throwing the life preserver! Hold on to it and don't let go!
What happened, Cyrus? Where's Birdie?
She's in the water! She fell in! Pull! Keep pulling!
Go! I saw a go!
She's right! There's a go! Look! Where are you going? I'm going in! Come back! Cyrus!
Is Holiday gonna be okay?
Holiday?
That's what she said her name was when we pulled her up onto the boat. That must be her name, right? What was that marking on her arm?
Can you hear me? Are you okay? Holiday?
What happened? Where am I?
You are at the hospital. You'll stay here for a while. This is your family.
Mum? Dad? I don't remember.
Yes. You were in an accident and your brother Cyrus saved you.
My brother? I know this is confusing, but we will let you rest.
So, I got a few questions for you to answer.
Okay.
First one. Do you know your name?
I'm not sure.
Do you know what happened today?
I don't know, Doctor.
Okay, I'll let you rest and come back a little later.
Hey, Holiday.
Who are you?
I know your past. You're in great danger.
But who are you? You want to follow me? Just try to keep up! Holiday, slow down! Don't let go of my hair, Birdie. Get under the bushes. Get down! What's going on? Why are they after Badger? Now, Birdie, go on to me. Don't move. Who's in the helicopter in the van? The child captured! I don't know. Come on, we got him! Get in the van now! Where are they taking Badger? What just happened? I don't know. I am really scared. Me too, Bird. I'm your sister too, would you know? How would you feel like if no one wanted you around? You're just the extra one. I wouldn't like it at all. So why don't you trust me? I do trust you, and to prove it, I'm going to let you in on a secret. I know I'm not actually your sister. Cyrus told you? No, Badger did. Oh no, this is all my fault. I'm the one who told him about Mum and Dad taking you in at the hospital last year. No, I did this. No, it wasn't you. Badger already knew before he met you. He knows who my real family is. That's why I was meeting him here tonight. Did that helicopter sound close? Cyrus, you wanted to talk.
We've been sitting in this tent for I don't know how long just waiting for you to get to the point.
Sorry, Mum, it's a touchy subject and I don't want you to take it the wrong way.
You said it had to do about Holiday. Let's start there.
I just think that, well, it's been over a year since we took her in and you were right. She feels like my sister in every way, but it seems wrong that we haven't told her the truth yet. And I know how big you guys are on truth. Truth is important, Cyrus, but as we discussed before, this is a complicated situation.
It's best to keep things the way they are. It doesn't mean that it'll change at some point. But for now, you have to trust us.
Why did you bring this up anyway? Did something happen? Holiday isn't regaining memory, is she? There's that helicopter again, Dad. Excuse me. Dad, where are you going? Listen to me, Birdie. You can't say a word about this to any of them. Why not? I'm not ready to tell them. I'm begging you. Nothing about me, Badger, helicopter, the man in the van. It's our secret. Promise? I'm begging you, Birdie.
Thank goodness, there you are.
Yeah, we were heading back. Hey, Cyrus. Hey. When we heard the helicopter and couldn't find you, it scared the heck out of us.
I told you not to wander away from the campsite, Holiday.
Sorry, I was location scouting, remember? She has to make a horror movie for school, Mum. Oh yeah, we can help. Birdie loves scary movies, right, B? Yeah, I guess. You okay, kiddo? The helicopter spooked her.
Is that all, Birdie? Birdie?
Is something upset you, sweetie? You have to tell us. Did something happen while you two were out in the woods?